Carrie, what was your news?
Oh, Berger broke up with me on a Post-it.
On a Post-it?
Uh-huh. Read it and weep, my friends.
I'm sorry I can't. Don't hate me.
Just like Carrie Bradshaw there on your screen, thousands of Twitter employees were dumped earlier this week by email. Some accounts locked out with no warning, and now the company is being sued for the sudden mass layoffs.
Plaintiffs are alleging the company violated state and federal labor laws, but Twitter owner Elon Musk is pushing back. Joining us now is Priya Sopori to discuss it all. She is an attorney, and let's start first. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
We appreciate you breaking this down because this is a huge story right now. I mean, the way that these employees were laid off, so many of them, is drawing immense headlines for just how it was handled. But what about the legal side of it? What are these plaintiffs alleging?
So we have a few plaintiffs, and they're basically alleging that the way in which they were terminated, the type of notice they received, the warning, that it wasn't sufficient under the law.
And what exactly is that law? Because I was going to ask, are there laws set to protect them?
There are so many laws that set to protect them, both on a federal level and in California, because Twitter is a California company. The main law would be the WARN Act, W-A-R-N, and it gives all sorts of guidelines and rules for employers on how they can tell people that they've been terminated.
And what are some of those rules? And did Twitter violate any of them in your view?
Well, it seems that if Twitter is a company that is California with over 75 employees and they've terminated 50 of them, or they plan to terminate 50 of them as the lawsuit alleges, then you're in a situation where you need to provide at least 60 days notice to those employees.
Even if there's severance involved? Because in this case, we know that Elon Musk has stated that he's offered large severance packages.
That's an interesting question because the law says you have to provide 60 days notice, but the types of damages that are available to, meaning the kind of money that a plaintiff could get, is going to be limited to back pay for 60 days.
Elon Musk actually tweeted about this, saying everyone exited was offered 3 months of severance, which is 50% more than legally required. Do you think that gives him cover? And what happens if Twitter loses the case? What does it mean for other companies?
Technically, it doesn't give you cover if you haven't given proper notice, but once you eliminate what the potential penalties and damages are, meaning money that you would owe to your former employees, then there really isn't much point in bringing a lawsuit.
Because the severance covers it? That he's already offering?
Yes, absolutely.
So if they were to win this lawsuit, what are the consequences? What exactly would happen to Twitter?
So Twitter would possibly be facing what we call civil penalties, meaning it's like a speeding ticket, but for every single day that you failed to comply with the law.
And then what about for other companies? Would it set some kind of precedent if these plaintiffs win? Or would it cause other companies to act differently?
I think that this is the type of law that companies know that they have to follow and are usually very careful about it. There are some exceptions, but in California, those exceptions are pretty rare.
So then when you see the headlines about Twitter, are you surprised with the way that this was carried out? Did this shock you at all?
I'm a little surprised that a company of its size and stature wouldn't have given it more thought, especially because it's a California company. But with all that's going on in a transition, it's hard to say what's in the minds of the executives and the officers right now.
Yeah, now, we know Elon Musk has gone on record by stating Twitter was losing $4 million a day from the day he walked in the door. That's why he potentially wanted to act fast. But obviously legal ramifications there. Thank you so much for joining us. And don't forget, for more from Priya, you could visit greenbergglusker.com. It's up on your screen right now. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your presence this morning.